Palmer itself is a very open and welcoming community. There's been kind of a steady growth in this area of town. Enough things to do that you can come over here and hang out for an afternoon. I do have a pretty sensitive gut. Over time, when I drink kombucha regularly, I have a better ability to take the foods. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink, and the fermentation comes from the culture that is both bacteria and yeast. We call it a SCOBY. Good morning. Whoa. You get a good whiff, that means good, you know, hard to breathe, that's a good sign. That SCOBY feeds off the sugar and tea nutrients and produces a number of acids, bacterias, and carbon dioxide. The kombucha we make is following pretty much the standard old-time recipe of basic organic tea blends, black tea, green tea. We use some rooibos tea, we use some yerba mate. It makes me feel better daily. It's replacing something that's bad for you and giving you something that's good for you. We spend the whole year wholesaling it, sampling it, farmers markets, restaurant samplings, everything to try to just teach people about it, answer questions, kind of maybe get rid of some of the mystery and or the bad impressions you might have. It proved to be Alaska was ready for a kombucha. Vinyl night. Through working with other people in the community and even folks that just walk in the door, we're still shaping the second half of what this business can be. And that's what's so great about such a simple and small business model. We can run experimental things, and then if it doesn't work, do it differently next time. It's really simple. Like, it's iteration. It's like, that's how things are invented, and it's perfect. Kombucha is a personal drink. It has a profile to it. You know, you can enjoy it, you can talk about it with your friends. Maybe people really want something that tastes almost like soda, and I can see a disappointment in their face, like, oh, this still does taste like what I thought kombucha tastes like, and that's okay. I have sparkling water for those people.